Hi friends, I'm Manoj and Kamat, a Goan poet. Here I would like to present one of my English poem. The name of the poem is Crazy Race. This poem is based on a spastic child who wants to do a lot of hard work to compete with a normal child. People consider him as handicap and always defame him. But later he does lot of hard work and proves himself to be the perfect child as compared to all other children. The poem goes like this. Crazy race. I was lame but wanted to gain fame. I was lame but wanted to gain fame. No hope that exists, pain only persist. No hope that exists, pain only persist. Doctors reclaim, neighbors put me to a shame. Doctors reclaimed, neighbors put me to a shame. Poverty prevailed, all tests failed. Poverty prevailed, all tests failed. Body was little, disease was fatal. Body was little, disease was fatal. It has been a great battle, took long time to settle. It has been a great battle, took long time to settle. Willpower was strong. In mind, nothing was going wrong. Willpower was strong. In mind, nothing was going wrong. One godfather came, felt lot of pain. One godfather came, felt lot of pain. It was a real gain with lot of strain. It was a real gain with lot of strain. Traces still remain, fostering little brain. Traces still remain, fostering little brain. That was a running race. It was my ultimate craze. That was a running race. It was my ultimate craze. Participation I felt must. The result also came just. Participation I felt must. The result also came just. A gold medal that I won. My work at last was done. A gold medal that I won. My work was at last done. Stigma was finally cleaned. It was an unimaginable dream. Stigma was finally cleaned. It was an unimaginable dream. It was an unimaginable dream. Thank you.